Do you suffer from joint or tendon pain? Dr. Rothenberg offers two new exciting treatments: bone marrow aspirate concentrate and microfragmented adipose injections. These treatments encourage our natural healing mechanisms of the body. In bone marrow aspirate concentrate, we harvest a cellular soup from the pelvis, which contains blood components and cells. This is then concentrated in a centrifuge. In microfragmented adipose, we harvest the adipose or fat from the abdomen, flank, or thigh, which contains supportive structural tissue and cells. This is then manually fragmented by your physician. These products are injected into the area of pathology. The cells involved travel to an area of injury and signal the body's healing mediators towards the site of injury. This results in cell-to-cell communication, prevention of native cell death, and an overall anti-inflammatory response. In laboratory studies, this has been shown to have growth potential, but this has not yet translated to human studies. Human studies show a decrease in pain and improvement in function. These treatments are not FDA approved and are considered off-label. They are done in a same-day office-based procedure. Patients are instructed to discontinue anti-inflammatories prior to the injection and make sure they have a driver. Dr. Rothenberg likes to wait 6 months before determining the outcome of the injection. These treatments may help you to avoid surgery and may be effective for your condition.